Benuena, good morning.
Fine, Uncle, good morning.
Today I'm going to teach you proverbs and their meanings. We have proverbs and their meanings. Proverbs and their meanings. Proverbs and their meanings. Say after me.
Okay, say after you. Say after you, and say after you, say after you. Uncle, should I continue saying after?
That is not what I mean. What I mean is proverbs and their meanings. Example 1. Okirikiri ka na-agba ukwu ose, adị ya arị elu. Running round the pepper tree.
Uncle, can you do it one more time?
Banana. Running round the pepper tree. Climbing north. Example 2. We have anu na-agba egbe. Ọ na-ata nri. Anu na-agba egbe ọ na-ata nri. You know what is anu na-agba egbe ọ na-ata nri? Use your head and say the example of this one. Use your head, banana. Use your head. Okay.
Uncle, the one knows gorilla.
Huh? Gorilla? Animal is animal. Do you know what is grass? You know grass? Grass. Don't you know grass again?
Yeah.
Okay, thank God. See grass here. See grass. Do you know what is gone?
Gone, man.
Gone. Yes. Oh, thank God. See gone here. See gone. See, banana. Hold this gun. Be holding it very careful.
I hope it's loaded.
Loaded. No. See, whenever I'm chopping this grass, the animal, I'm your uncle, like the animal, yes.
You animal?
Yes, I'm chopping.
Cow.
I'm like the animal. Okay. Whenever I'm chopping this grass, be pointing this gun at me. Be pointing it. Don't pull the trigger. See, be pointing the gun at me. Benuena. See, I'm chopping the grass. I'm like the animal. Be pointing the gun at me now. Let me give you the example. Benuena. Don't pull the trigger. Those I didn't tell you. Don't pull the trigger.
Okay.
I'm like the animal now. Whenever I'm chopping the grass, be pointing the gun. Eh? Banana, don't shoot me,
Finish the grass.
Beg him now. Don't pull the trigger.
This is what they call teacher teach me nonsense. So teach him how to cut the grass.
Please,
Teacher,
beg him.
You are teaching him proverb and their meaning. Chop the grass, finish the grass.
Finish the grass.